Hello YouTube, my name is Travis.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Allison.
And this is Bacon and Backpacking. Here's a preview of what's coming up in today's episode. Alright everyone, let's pick it up where we left off on day 2. Oh yeah, this is the campsite next time. Color of that water. How did this happen? Oh. Somebody else is going to have to filter these. That little one you're about to put your foot on is the one that moves to the right. Yep, that one's the one that moves, but it's the one I use. I just stepped in the middle of it. The right one on the right moves too.
Yeah.
We are standing on the top of Lion's Head Mountain. And it is something else. Well, we're on a mountain, babe.
No, I don't think we can go this way either. Are you sure?
Babe, give me your standing on a mountain pose. That it?
This gets me buzzing.
All right, got to get a shot walking off the mountain because I don't know when I'm going to be on the mountain again. So, here we go. Well, kind of like the surface of how I'd imagine Mars to be. But for some reason, though, I can tolerate the mud and the rocks and stuff out here because everything's just so pretty and different from what's going on in Ohio. But yeah, this is the trail here. What you doing?
Trekking all these rocks.
It's really pretty with all the mossy rocks down here. Very rocky trail. Pretty sure everybody's feet are hamburger at this point. And ankles got a heck of a workout today, I'll tell you that much. I'm super glad I did this, and I would definitely come back. It's not a super hard hike. Like, there's not a ton of like elevation or anything like that. It's just very technical with all the water crossings and then the surface of the moon that it looks like we're getting ready to get back into. I mean, we've been walking on rocks like this for probably 2 miles straight now for the most part. A little rough. My shelter's set up, and so is Allison's. Sarah's down by the river. In case you can't hear, we're camping right on a river bank about 10 feet above the river. We got the Stowaway Gourmet Bison Beer Black Bean Chili. See how we get on. Oh, dude. like 16, 17 bucks, but oh my God. This is really good. I'm gonna enjoy this tonight. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Long day, lots of miles. Got to see some cool stuff. Now we got camp set up. Allison's got her hammock up. Got Sarah's tent over here. She's all set up and ready to go. Got our little communal area. Stuff's drying. We've got seats. We've got fuego, despite everything being super moist and wet and damp out here. But coolest part about this campsite is we're right here on the river. So I normally sleep with a fan, so this will be nice for me. I actually have some noise tonight. Last night was super quiet. And then down here, I'm kind of doing my own thing. I'm all set up over here. And then down that way, there's a path for us to actually get down into the to the river and get some water. But yeah, can't ask for much more. Got a river, got a fire, got some stowaway gourmet. I think we're good for the night. How's that fire doing? Nice. Alrighty, I'm gonna sign off for now. For all of you that have so eloquently reminded me, I brought bacon on this trip. Stay true to the name. We've got another stowaway gourmet wild boar bacon bean stew, so I'm excited to tear into this. Alright everybody, don't typically do a hammock shot, but here we are laying in the war bonnet blackbird hammock. It's been an awesome trip so far, guys. That's why I wanted to touch base before I went to bed. Really glad we came out here. We got about 6 or 7 miles to put in tomorrow to get back to the car, and then a 5-hour drive back home. But honestly, it was worth it. This place is awesome, and I'm already looking forward to getting back here again. So we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, day 3 has begun. We're about to ascend out of the river valley and climb. I don't even know how high, and I'm not looking. So here's the 7 more miles, and then we'll be back at the car. Not going to end up doing a ton of recording this morning, just trying to cover some miles. I see a waterfall through the trees a little bit. I don't know if we're going to be able to get a view of it or not. We'll see. I'm going to keep walking and see if we can get eyes on this thing. Pretty little mountaintop meadow. Wow, found some different trees up here. Must Be the 4,000 feet trees apparently, because I haven't seen these anywhere else. It's generally just evergreens up here. Another nice open meadow out in the middle of the mountains. We got lucky, we got 2 pretty good days of weather. The day we came in was kind of crappy, but the last 2 days have been pretty much perfect. I have to try not to get sunburnt more. Did you get sunburned?
My shoulders a little bit.
Just your shoulders? Yeah, my neck's sunburned a little bit. Probably should have wore like a sun hoodie or something, but nah. Well, what backpacking trip would be complete without a random nosebleed? So we're walking out here through this meadow and just started bleeding out of my nose. So it is what it is, but hey, at least it's super pretty out here. All right, we are in the home stretch. I think got a couple miles left to go. We're about to connect with the trail we came in on, but man, nice view up here. But yeah, I don't know, guys. I mean, Dolly Sods is very, very muddy, isn't it, Sarah?
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot of sunshine and everything, and weather's unpredictable because obviously we're up in the mountains. But you know, even despite a little bit of mud, a little bit of sunburn, and some hardships, this is honestly still my favorite backpacking trip I've ever done, and I can't wait to get back out here again. I'm gonna give you guys a 360-degree view of what I'm looking at right now. Sarah came in at about 340 degrees, but look at this beautiful day. Hard to beat the meadow walking out here. Looks like a painting. I probably sound like a broken record, but man, I just can't soak up enough of this place. If you guys are liking the videos, give me a thumbs up. If you really like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.